Knee replacement surgery is a big decision, and choosing the right health insurance to cover it is even bigger. Now, if you don't know where to start, don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through it. Now, finding the best plan can save you money and make your surgery much smoother. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 health insurance plans that are great for knee replacement surgery. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes. So first, Blue Cross Blue Shield. Blue Cross Blue Shield has excellent coverage for surgery and rehab. Second is United Healthcare, which gives you access to a large network of doctors and hospitals. Third is Cigna, which is great if you want affordable options for surgeries like knee replacements. The fourth is Kaiser Permanente, which offers great care and keeps things simple with one plan for everything. Lastly, we have Aetna, which has good coverage for knee surgeries and rehab, plus lots of added benefits. I'll put these in the description. And you don't have to be confused or stressed. Go through them one at a time, check which option is best for your health, and make sure to like if you like these suggestions. Love ya.